Okay, this one's yours. This one's my
We got one of those, thank you. So this is our new home. You could be in it. We got a little armoire, 2 of them, bed, little desks. We're gonna make this super cute little TV, desk, Michaela, bed, yes. We have a really cute little window view and there's people driving by and walking. And then here's a little kitchen area, little fridge, don't know, maybe to hang clothes, stovetop pantry, little setup. And then the bathroom, which is a shower all at the same time. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. What's up? Currently in a Chinese drugstore. We only have 100 yuan to spend, and the drugstore here is pretty cool. Alcohol. What's alcohol? I don't know what that is. Soda or juice. Tea, of course. Candies. The sky at 8:30 p.m. in Shenyang.